My name is Danny Garcia. I'm a defense attorney focused on drug sale cases. As a former prosecutor who used to be in charge of a drug interdiction unit, I have some insight and would like to make sure that you know the most important things to consider if you're charged with a drug sale case. I believe that my experience running and charging people with these types of cases gives me a special insight to tell you what you should do if this happens. And the first thing to think about is that these drug sale charges in most states have mandatory minimum sentences. Those mandatory minimum sentences mean that if you go to trial and you lose, you will go to prison because the judge doesn't have any discretion as to whether you go to prison or not. And so all of the power is then left in the hands of the prosecutor, which I used to be. And so there is room to work with the prosecutors to negotiate you something better. Of course, if you have a case and you are innocent of these charges, then that might be a case you need to fight at trial. And I can talk to you about what strategies we would do in that case. However, in a lot of cases, these investigations have gone on for many months or even years. And I was part of those investigations when I was working with both state and federal government. And so if that's the case, and you have charges that stem from a lengthy investigation, which might also include wiretaps, they may have recorded your phone calls, you need to be prepared with a very good attorney who is focused in this area. If the attorney does not have experience in the drug trafficking or sales world, they are not going to be able to help you very, very well, or at least to the extent that you need. The other things that you should know about drug trafficking cases is that they oftentimes include many co-defendants all at once. And so during that investigation, they would have recorded co-defendant conversations, and even from the time that you're charged, they still might be listening to phone calls from other people that could be connected. So the presumption should be, do not talk about this case with anyone other than your lawyer, including over the phone. So most people don't know the extent of what a wiretap can do, but it can get up on many cell phones simultaneously and in perpetuity, as long as the judges sign off on those warrants. And so you need to be prepared for that. And that's why my call to action would be for you to contact an attorney as soon as possible. I am certainly capable of helping you in these cases and would love to talk to you today if you contact me at 602-755-5555.